And if it looks like we were hitting and scoring all day long, it's because we were. The final 29-2, running our record to 5-0.
All right, here we are, manager's report. Day 4, preceding game 6. Carlos, get a shot of this dugout on the third base side. That's the team we're gonna play. They're afraid to show up. The word's out, Easton Bandits. Sticks, sticks, sticks. A little short on brains, but we got a lot of sticks. This is a prime example. This gentleman here, number 25, get that 25 there. Head first dive into third on a triple, comes up lame, but God, he tries hard. This guy over here, where's that grapefruit on your leg? Oh, coach, I want to sit today. I can't throw.
Farrell Merrill.
Carol Merrill.
Whoever that lady is.
Carol Merrill.
Carol Merrill.
That's where he had a marrow transplant.
All right, and over here, routine throw, third to first. Ouch, coach, I got to come out of the game.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
I kept on wondering why.
I was like,
But other than that, hey, we're doing okay. No other injuries to speak of.
First one.
Game 6 today, 3-inning playoff against the Cardinals tomorrow to determine who is the winner of the pool. We're going to take infield now. Let's go take our positions. All right, guys, infield!
After 2 straight days of doubleheaders, we were glad to see a single game. This game, game number 6 at the Tempe Diablo Complex Field number 2 once again against another San Diego team, the San Diego Sharks. And Mike Goodsell was on the mound. And once again, we had our hitting shoes on.
You're a beauty. What's up, home?
All right, if you guys thought that was funny, how about this? It's the play of the week. Let's set up the situation. Paul Seckendorf at the plate, Mike Contour on second, Peter Ballantyne on first.
Okay.
Let's look at it from a different angle.
On your first. That's good. Go, ball.
I think you'll all agree that was the play of the week. Now let's get back to our regularly scheduled game. Mike Goodsell gave us a strong performance on the mound. Paul Seckendorf with the running catch here. And Hud Freeze gave us those valuable innings. With a little bit of help on defense also. When it was all over, another easy victory. 12-0, running our record to 6-0. We were off to the playoffs.
6-0. Now how many runs? 96 runs, 6 games. Iron Man. Still attached.
It's still attached.
That's right. 3 games.
Most of his iron comes from Geritol.
These days, yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Dave Brown, right field. Got hit twice in the same inning.
That's
At the plate. Paul Seckendorf, right over here. Paul.
6-0, baby. 6-0.
Sparkplug, 28-year-old baby.
I could be his father.
Bob Hagstrom didn't get off the medal today, but he's going to play tomorrow.
That's right. Just my butt's sore. We'll get off
Mike
tomorrow.
Ryan, 1 at bat, 2 at bats. Sat down in the dirt. We're going up to the stadium.
Mike Contour, shortstop, brings us back memories.
That's right. 2 plays to first. All right. See you tomorrow. Another report. Bandit Central.
We've all heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It was especially important at the Embassy Suites. It was our entertainment for the day. Check this out.
Hi, Mom, Dad. I'm in Phoenix. I've changed my name to Bob. I shaved the mustache off, too. Look, I stopped doing drugs. I do eggs instead.
Two French toast, some hash browns, please.
Junior, now what's your picture, dude? Hey, get out of here. You're a star. You want it? Okay, who's over easy?
Hey, Joe, right here.
Go.
Joe, but a big butter.
Joe.
Hey, that was good. Like that.
And hash browns.
There you go.
Bacon or sausage?
Sausage. Pork, man.
No, not that one. Jeez. And you see the vinegar.
Yeah, no, get out of here.
Big vinegar. Vinegar steak. Como de la hash brown. 1, 2, 3. I had 1 French toast. Yes. Okay. 1 French toast. You got the 2 French toast. Garcia. And bacon? What the papas?
Are they gonna flip them? Did you get that on film yet?
Oh, absolutely. You have to be quick.
Get us here with food on it.
Ah, yes, the playoffs begin. Playoff game number 1 played at the Peoria Sports Complex. We were once again playing Hoffman's Las Vegas All-Stars at high noon. As most of you know, Peoria will be the new spring training home of the San Diego Padres, and we got a sneak peek at the complex. Another beautiful field in the Phoenix area. Mike Contour on the mound for this game. Let's see how the defense is. Just as long as they catch it, right? Mike just kept pitching, and then we started hitting.
Yeah! Three, go three! Three, yeah! Stand up triple! Get on the base!
Ah, yes, the power of pink. We just keep rolling along, winning our first playoff game 16-4.
See them in there? That's because they're gone. The Butterflies were there today. First round of the playoffs. Bandits went 6-0, tied for first place. We let the Cardinals think they're on top by giving them the lead at the pool lead. We conceded the 3-inning game, but we came out and played the Hoffman Stars. Great game. Yeah, that's it. Highlights of that game. Who can forget Hud Freeze stroking a triple to left center. Pink batting glove. Hud Freeze. Mike Goodsell. Over the shoulder catch. Into the sun. What a great play. Boy, I don't know. Bob Hagerstrom scored run number 100 for the week. 100 for the week and a grand slam. Gee Louise. And again, Hud Freeze in the news. Third consecutive day on the mound. He's up in like 20, 30 innings. Damn. Anyway, Phoenix Muni behind me. This is going to be the site of game number 8. Bandits versus the Phoenix 30. We win today, play the Cardinals tomorrow. And everybody thought the Cardinals were out of it, but they came back in the bottom of the ninth in the round 1 with 2 outs. Scored a 3-run home run inside the park to beat the team. So, looks like it's us and the Cardinals, but first we got to get through this game.
And now it's time for How You Doing and What You Thinking.
Legs don't hurt too bad. Arm don't hurt too bad. Good sign. Maybe I'll throw about 7 or 8 innings today after the game.
Big game tonight. Bobby is starting. I'm probably coming in at some point.
Just shut him down.
I have to think about that. And the arm feels good. Legs tend to deteriorate because of old age as the game goes on. But once I get loose, I'm fine. So I think we are ready.
Bobby's going to give these guys a bad night. That's what I think. And then to make it worse, we're going to get marked in here. And no one's going to touch him. That's what I think. How about you?
Boys out here.
Next. Thoughts?
He's going broke.
Just give me an ice pack. That's all I need. Well, I had thought about retiring this season, but maybe I got a little bit left in me, so I think I'll try to keep going maybe till next year at least. So it's a little bit slow. So, any more thoughts on that?
Good day.
Probably hard for me to come up with at the moment. But it's been a great trip. It's just been a great trip.
Well, Carlos, I'll tell you, this has been a great week. Having a great time, wonderful people, terrific teamwork. Just couldn't ask for more. It's been wonderful. We're going to do it tonight, and tomorrow we're going to be great.
With one playoff game under our belt and our sights on the championship game, we move on to playoff game number 2, the semifinals, if you will. We're playing once again the Phoenix 30s at Phoenix Municipal Stadium. And on the mound for us, it's Bobby Hagerstrom. With Bobby taking care of business on the mound, time for us to put some runs on the board. With a lead now, Bobby just threw strikes and let the team play defense behind him. Now it's our turn to swing the bats again. With a couple more runs under the belt, time to go at him again in the field. Don't worry, this next play will make you forget about that last play. And with that play, the defense tightened up again. All right, time to swing the bats again. Bobby's still on the mound going into the 8th inning with a 6-1 lead. It's now 6-2. It's now 6-3. We now go to the 9th inning. It starts off with a strikeout. The next batter up hits a bloop single to center. 1 out. Bobby gets the big K for the 2nd out. The next batter hits a tough ground ball to the hole at shortstop. And he just beats the play at first. Here's the situation. It's 6-4 now. Runner on first, 2 outs. Make that runners on first and second. Make that 6-5. Runners first and second, 2 outs. Uh-oh, it's time for Gleason. Let's relive those moments.
Everybody take that breath. Here we go.
Here you go.
Everybody's having a rough night.
Oh,
Nothing good, Mark. You have reached back right here, man. I'm with you, baby.
Delayed out.
Hey, Mark, you think up here, right here, babe. Money pitch. baby. Buddy, worker. Mark right here, buddy, right here now. Let him, baby. Good idea. Carlos! Ball! Nice mark that, baby.
I'll mark it out, mark it out.
Mark. Good job, buddy. Nothing to it, Jerome. Nothing to it.
There's the heat right here.
Come on, Marky, Mark.
Peter.
Ready?
Can you catch up to it?
And with that, we go to the championship game. The final in a nail biter. Easton Bandits 6, Phoenix 30s 5. It's on to Tempe Diablo Stadium tomorrow morning for the championship game. It's the championship game for the 30 and over division of the NABA National Tournament at Tempe Diablo Stadium against the San Diego Cardinals. This is what we've been playing for all week, a chance to play in the big stadium. Yeah, you know the big stadium where they put your name up on the scoreboard? Joey Henderson was the starting pitcher this day. And he was up to the task. The bats didn't start going immediately, but just give us some time. Our loyal fans wouldn't let us forget who they thought was number one. And we didn't want to let them down. So Duke started things off with a walk. After a wild pitch sent Duke to second, it was time for an RBI single. One nothing, good guys. And we just kept swinging the bats, looking for another run. Finally, another opportunity as Paul Seckendorf steals second. And Duke delivers an RBI single. 2-0. Unfortunately, the game didn't remain that way. The Cardinals came back with 2 runs in the bottom of the 8th, a run in the bottom of the 9th to claim the championship game of the 30 and over division, 4-3. And now some post-tourney comments from the members of the team.
Gave it our heart and soul. We're a great team, terrific people. What do you say? Let's get them next time. All right, best thing is we played as a team. We lost, but we lost as a team. Rugby Small in particular. And glad to take this back to San Diego and the other various gifts that we received for our week. It was a fun time. Probably one of the funnest times I've had. Had a great time. Got some great guys here. We got Hud the Stud. We got Dave the Pup Tent. And I ran his legs off. This guy here is about to get a beating. Big Bobby crushed the ball. Goody's a hell of a player. What else do we have there? We have the Hound Dog. We have the Mo. We have the headstand that'll live on for eternity. And I'm coming back next week with a shotgun. There are doves everywhere, boys. Shorter than the one I'd like to pass, but hey, ice cold beer here!
I'd say this is probably the best group of guys I've ever played with, and it sure has been a pleasure. It's a real privilege to be able to go along and turn it out. Do so well, have a little fun with my thinking.
A lot of fun, Paul.
Get to talk to everybody, and I just love the job everyone's done. Thank you, everybody, for everything. See you next year.
Well, guys, this isn't the one I wanted. But it's what we got. We came a long way. Different kind of fun this week than we ever had before. And there, right to the end. Not either way. Proud of all you guys. Everybody in the lineup contributed. Big help. I didn't have to make any decisions this week.
That was a great tour. Hey, I never had such a great tournament. Great shortstop, second baseman. We did it. We did it. Great combination. You have a game tomorrow, show up.
I got 2 tomorrow.
Hey, I didn't get all the hits I paid for before the tournament.
Yeah, they owe me some hits.
Yeah, they owe me quite a few. I had fun.
Yeah, I really appreciate the athletic talent of all these guys and all the ball playing ability, but the biggest thing that I noticed was the great heart that they had. The fact that we picked each other up. They supported me, an old man out there, shortstop, and appreciate all the love and support we got.
Ratings? Mr. Mo here. A little bummed out. I'll get over it. Good week. Been a lot of nice guys. I love everybody like fathers. Fathers, a couple like fathers. I'm hurting. We're all hurting.